Someone said that the journey of 1,000 steps starts with one step. As a blogger who believes in sustainability, I try to make choices that matter. From bringing my own cutlery and tumbler to using my reusable bags for grocery shoppings, every small action counts. MGZS EV with zero emissions and an impressive range of 461 kilometers and a running cost of only 60 paisa per kilometer is the perfect partner for both short and long trips. The smooth and silent ride is powered by a 50.3 kilowatt prismatic cell battery, and the luxurious interiors keep comfort and convenience at the forefront. So whether it's a relaxing outing or a daily routine, choose sustainability with the MGZS EV. Let's drive into a greener future together. Like, share and join the movement for a better planet. It starts with every choice we make. I drive the MGZS EV, which not only saves the environment but also is great on the pocket.